I mean, that AI will take over you. I mean, bro, AI can't do like. You need someone to program the AI. You need someone to control the AI. You need someone to make the AI. You need someone to create models, neural networks. Like, there's always gonna be someone who needs to like program AI. So I don't agree with that. I disagree with that statement. Guys, don't be listening to all this mumbo jumbo that AI is gonna like make you obsolete or whatever. Like, as you guys can see, I'm using AI to learn all the time. So if you're using AI to your advantage, you're not gonna get replaced. If you're using AI to your advantage, um, you're not gonna become useless.